Hard work didn't stop paying because people got lazy. It stopped paying because the system changed. Most people are working harder than ever, but feel more behind than ever. That contradiction is the story of this generation. For most of modern history, the formula was simple. Work hard, be reliable, stay loyal. Effort was rewarded because systems were slow, capital was scarce, and labor was valuable. You could outwork your competition, you could climb. That world no longer exists. The mistake that people make is thinking that effort disappeared. It didn't. What disappeared was leverage. Technology scaled output, capital went global, labor became replaceable. You can work harder than someone else and still lose. Not because you are worse, but because they are positioned better than you. The system stopped paying effort and started paying ownership, distribution, and control. This is why burnout is everywhere. People are running on a map that no longer matches the terrain. They did everything right, education, consistency, discipline, but the reward feels delayed or absent. That's not a motivational problem, that's the system's mismatch. Hard work didn't disappear, it just stopped being the primary driver. What replaced it? Leverage, assets, ownership, media, equity, systems. Hard work still matters, but only after leverage is in place. Effort without leverage is a treadmill. Effort with leverage compounds. The question isn't how hard am I working? The real question is, what am I doing that is working with me? That shift is uncomfortable, but necessary. Hard work didn't betray you. You were trained for a world that no longer exists. And once you see that, you stop blaming yourself and start positioning differently.